So the other day I hit my car coming out of the garage, on the side of my garage, scraping my Hyundai Sonata. As you can see, I got the silver paint. I seen a couple videos on YouTube saying acetone can remove paint, WD-40 can remove paint. So I went with the WD-40 because acetone is known to remove and strip paint from cars. So as you can see, I'm scrubbing. I spray my WD-40. I got tired of the towel, so I switched to a soft brush, sprayed the WD-40 on there, and the black strip right there that you're gonna see in the finished product, that came off when I hit the garage, so it didn't come off when I was scraping. But I just wanted to put this on YouTube because somebody can use it. Quick little tutorial. Spray the WD-40 on there and should be like new. Just keep spraying, and as you can see now, hey, it looks like new. I just have to get that black mark fixed. Thanks.